You ready?
Wait lang, agad-agad na karon dayon.
Yawan!
Ayo.
Hoy!
Hi.
Hi, vlog.
Sputing lagi kay Courage. Ay.
Nani nang pumbalay.
What? Karon pa ko naka-vlog balik ni. Ino ka pa mag-vlog unsa na. Mag-wait sa takang hands, no? Yep. Hey! What's up, boy? Gani.
Hi, hands!
Yang buhok!
Yeah! Kompleto na yung hype ng mga, you know, hype group.
Laki ng tingog ni Julian.
Yeah, bye.
Hi, I'm Galang. Charot.
So today, no, we got surprises for y'all. So, yeah. We complete now? Yeah? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Nadunggan ako. Ayo. Ayo, what's up, guys? Hindi rin sa'yo ito ko intro. What's up? What's up? What's up, mga pampas? Alright, welcome again sa akong first vlog this year. Grabe naman ni siya. Grabe na ni siya, do. I miss you guys. I miss you and it's been a long time, no? Nga nag-vlog ko. So, this is, yeah, that's you know, more. Hala, timing. Just in time sa akong intro. Hi!
Hi guys. I actually got lost.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
Offline mo.
Oh shit, sorry bro.
It's okay.
Anyway, today na may special nga buhaton. Also guys, if you're wondering why nani akong tingog, mag 3 weeks nako nga giubo. So, oh no. But anyway, sa mga nanonood ngayon, wow lang. Sa mga friends ko dyan sa, you know, mga hindi Bisaya, no? You know.
Friends ko dyan sa Johnson. Just kidding. What? No.
Nakalimutan ko mag-Tagalog. I'm so sorry. But anyway, may gagawin kami na special ngayon. And then yeah, you just stay tuned. And then I'm gonna teach you soon Bisaya lessons, no? Para hindi ako yung mag-a-adjust.
Kayo! Kasi kami mga Bisaya, alam namin ng ano,
Tagalog.
tatlong language, you know? Tatlong dialect. English, Bisaya, Tagalog. Kayo, up your game, boys.
Yeah.
Up your game. Just kidding. Subscribe to my channel. I love all of y'all.
Yeah. Subscribe. Test drive. Test drive.
Oh no.
Sure lagi. Gusto granny for inanakatik nga hair.
Oh no!
Oh no!
Oh no! You scared? Handlok na kayo ka ba? Nervous na kayo ka ba? Alright, let's go! Let's go! Let go! Let go!
Let go! Let go!
Let go!
Let go! So kung gatanaw mo sa mga vlogs ni Rigel, you know what this is. Oh, it's our first time.
Studio build.
Oh my god!
Yo!
Yo!
This is good lighting. Uh-oh.
Excited na kayo.
Uh-oh.
Wait, what if 2 minutes from a day?
Klaro, kulba na kayo. Look at your face.
Di naman sa kulbaan ko, no? Anong...
What if after dito na upaw ko?
Watch my learn.
Watch my learn.
Watch my learn.
What's it learn?
Holy shit.
Oh! Oh no! Oh no no no!
No.
Oh.
Natural, bro.
Alright!
Hi!
So actually, before pa ko nag-tweet, guys, before I tweeted... You don't tweet! Barbero kay si Hans.
First video in the studio. Barberan just.
Okay, we have to... No, it's okay, no need.
I don't comb by. That's why I wanna cut it. Kay kapuyan ko comb. So actually, dugay nagiging gusto magpa-upaw kay first of all by. Gusto yun ako maupaw ko kay number 1. Kapuyan ko na buhok. And number 2 by I want by nga to show everyone nga beauty has no label. By kanang a lot of people man gud di ba nga like mingon sila nga hala dili siya gwapa kay mo po siya hair or dili siya gwapa kay taas na kay siya hair or tungod kiniwang na siya or tungod kitambok na kay siya.
She black. Just kidding.
Yeah, he white.
She black. She white. That don't matter.
That don't matter. Beauty has no label by mapagamay, mapadako, mapa-short hair, mapawalay hair, and mapalahi matag complexion. We're all beautiful and by it's all in the inside.
Oh.
Okay, so are you ready?
Wait lang, agad-agad na karon dayon.
Yeah. Why?
Yeah.
Ito. I'm really gonna do it.
Oh no.
So magpaupa ko karon, guys, no? Okay.
Para tanong natin.
Okay. One.
Gabay na biya kanina.
Guys, moment of silence. Like this is a pure moment. 1, 2,
Kailangan ko ba?
3.
Ah!
Oh! Oh my God!
Isa lang!
Hilak na kasama.
I never cared much for moonlit skies.
Oh my god.
Okay, continue. Wait, hold this.
Eh.
Okay, so wala yun nasa buhok ang beauty, guys, no? Ang importante yun, guys.
Ay na, kay kabalo ko.
Wow.
That just happened.
Oh, yeah.
It's actually not.
Gaan, Mans.
Gaan ka yung feeling.
Mans, parang sa 80s. Oh my God.
Really?
Oh.
Di ba? Pag-yapin ba yun?
Mans, yawa.
Okay, so
Bay, ang earrings. Mans, yawa.
You look good, man.
you actually
Good na, ne?
yeah.
Ang likod ba? Few minutes.
What are you doing?
Oh no.
Wait, oh my God. Did he just do that?
No, girls.
Ano ba sakit siya sa feet?
Ba yung work mas deep lagi na yung mga current.
Lagi.
Dili sa balance. Kita ng scalp.
Isa.
Nag-seriously ko makita ng
Dili na ko makita akong self right now, but it feels so
Oh,
good,
God.
right? Like, joke lang.
She done it.
Because others would retouch it without para even kanan.
Ano, upaw na ko!
Oh my God.
Upaw na.
Oh my God.
Ano yun, nakuha? Ano ko
Okay, wait. I'm gonna get done, guys.
What are you doing? The death of Machine Ouano. The rise of Julian Monique Del
Morre
Fuente.
siya.
So what do you think? Ay, tsaka po kita kay. So,
You ready? Aysa. Kuha ko sa amin. Ella, where's your big mirror?
What?
Your big mirror.
Oh, it's in the. Di ba na door?
Oh, here's the big reveal. Is he ready?
yeah. It's good.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my God!
Hilak.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Ay, saan lang? Ano ko, grabe!
Look good though. Looking
I
good.
like it though. I like
He
it.
is good.
No regrets.
No regrets.
Yeah, dude.
Nah.
Special thanks.
Special thanks to the Blood Squad. Homer. And also Ella, who is not right here.
Ella is editing something. Oh.
So what do you think? Ikaw, what do you think?
Okay naman. Bagay.
What?
Bagay. Promise. You just have to like, ano sa barbershop like, palimpyunan.
Not
really good.
Doing that shit.
Huh?
Speechless.
Speechless in a good way or what?
In a good way.
It is good. Goodbye hair. Goodbye 2017. Hello 2018.
Hair flip. Chicken na naman ba?
You know what it is?
Ika na ang thumbnail.
Y'all know what's up.
Yeah.
It's your little tiny bomb. Pulling up in no whip. Getting drunk. Flexing.
Sabak nag-vacuum. Let's go.
Yeah.
Hey.
My name's No More Yet, the Filipino guy. I represent the Asians. We all chinky eye.
Yeah.
Bye guys.
Oh, you're gonna go.
Justin! Ha! What the fuck? Bye.
Bye. Ingat, Su. Yeah. And then, yeah. Welcome sa akong first vlog sa 2018. Wow! Okay. So, that is it for today, everyone. This is Julian Monique, your tiny bomb. Bye.
Fly me to the moon. Let me play.
Hey, so, hey, ha! Joke lang, okay? Bye.